What is going on, Cardano community? Welcome back to the official Dapp Central YouTube channel. I'm your host here, Fareed, and as a part of today's video, I've got some positive news surrounding the Liqwid finance protocol. If you guys don't know what Liqwid is, they're going to be a lending and borrowing platform that just went live on the Mainnet in the first week of February. Now, after their actual launch on Mainnet, we did see them temporarily go down due to a bug fix that was found on the Mainnet. Having said that, no funds were lost throughout the process and nobody was actually able to take advantage of this exploit, and the team was all proactive in terms of their resolution. So jumping straight over into their Twitter, what I want to do is highlight the recent tweet highlighting the fact that the app is back on the mainnet and that they have undergone a successful bug fix for this issue that was found earlier last week. So as it reads here, the auditors have completed the code review for the fix and have completed additional review of the on-chain code database. The app is now back online and users may begin complete market actions. If you guys are unaware, what the team basically stopped with a multi-sig transaction, which is a wallet that has more than one signing key, in order to have a consensus before any action can be taken on the actual platform, was that they stopped the ability to lend, borrow, as well as supply and withdraw assets. So those actions should now be back online. And as I mentioned before, no funds were impacted as a part of this issue. So the team did a really good job of being transparent throughout the entire process, which I have to personally give them kudos for. They have been getting a ton of criticism over the last week in terms of how they've handled their launch, but the fact that they were transparent with the community throughout the entire process does account for a lot. There are a lot of other projects that would have not taken the same route and tried to keep this quiet or under wraps, given all the other things that the Liqwid Lab team faced during their first week of launch. But I think that this year does give them a lot of credibility, and I hope to see them rebound successfully moving forward. Now, if I jump down, there's an additional section here which states a post-mortem detailing this security vulnerability will be released in the near future along with the final audit report. Now, this is not going to be their first audit report. They obviously had to undergo an audit report before they launched on the mainnet, but it does look like on the heels of this recent bug fix, they've undergone another audit report. The Liqwid Lab team thanks the community for their patience and understanding throughout this entire time. If I jump over into the official Liqwid app, which is available at app.liqwid.finance, we can see that the banner that was previously here highlighting the fact that the application was temporarily down due to the bug that was found on the mainnet has been taken down, and we now have the ability again to go ahead and supply, borrow, repay, and withdraw assets. Having said that, if we take a look at the current APYs on the platform, if you're looking to lend your ADA, you can earn right now a cool 2.98% in addition to some staking rewards. Keep in mind that whatever ADA you supply to the protocol will be staked, I believe, to 16 different validators or stake pool operators securing the Cardano network. Now, if you're looking to borrow from the platform, you can do so at an APY or an interest rate of 10.76%. And in terms of liquidity on the platform, there's a total of 13.8 million ADA currently locked into this platform. So this has been a great contributor to the total value lock that we've seen rise on Cardano over the course of the last few weeks, in addition to the launch of the JED stablecoin on the Cardano mainnet. Having said that, I believe that is going to wrap it up for today's video. Again, just kind of ending the week off here on a positive note for the LQ team. They've undergone a lot of scrutiny over the last few days, and I think that the way that they've handled this particular bug fix, again, does commend them, or I will be commending them for the way that they've done that. And so again, no funds have been lost or impacted. The team was fully transparent throughout this entire process, and they're now looking forward to developing and adding additional features to their platform. So let's go ahead and give the team the time to do that, and let's give them a second shot moving forward, given everything that we know now. Having said that, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you guys found this to be helpful, please make sure to tap that like button. If it's your first time stopping by, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions for me, then make sure to leave those down in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video.